I guess in this video I am going to show you where to find BMW 1 Series spare wheel location. If you find the solution of your problem, then watch the video till the end so you cannot miss any important step. And if you find this video helpful, so please consider subscribing our channel. Unfortunately, many of the BMW vehicles does not come with a spare wheel. Many modern BMW vehicles do not come with a spare tire for several reasons. First, weight reduction. Omitting a spare tire helps reduce the overall weight of the vehicle, which can improve fuel efficiency and performance. Spare efficiency. The absence of a spare tire allows more storage space in the truck's or cargo area, providing more room for other items. Run flat tires. Many BMW models are equipped with run flat tires, which are designed to allow the vehicle to continue driving for a limited distance, typically around 50 miles. Even after a puncture, this feature reduces the need for a spare tire. And these are other reasons, like tire repair kits and design philosophy. So unfortunately, BMW does not provide spare wheel in their cars, in the modern models. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.